Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are in the Family Dollar store. Just wanted to pop in and see what little items they had out for fall and Halloween. So it looks like they have a lot of items. So we're going to start up here. This sign here with the pumpkins, or this one right here. These are going for $5. Let me just check the price of this one right here. $5 as well. Make sure I don't drop that there. They have these little coffins right here. They light up. These are $3. They have these lanterns right here. These actually light up as well with the skull on the front. These are $5. They have some treat bags right here for $1. And how cute are the little witch gnomes. These are really cute. Guys, did you just see me? Something fell on my arm. I'm not sure what that was, but whatever it was, I hope it wasn't a spider. But these are going for $5. These are called shelf sitters. And a little guy and a little girl with their ponytails. Let's see, they have some more back here with the orange and black hats. So let me pull it out. We have those. Really cute. All right, so here are some micro LED curtain lamps. This is what they look like, $5. Excuse my nail, guys. I broke it today at work. Ghouls just want to have fun. These are going for $3. Here's some containers here. They have this one, the mummy, and this one right here. I'm not sure the price of these. Let's take a look. Hope I don't break anything. These are $5. And they also have the pumpkin one back there. You guys can see that one. And they also have this one back here. It says Spooky Sweets. Those are really cute. I like those. Here's another Decor sign here. It says Spooky on the front, $3. They have some of the mini light up pumpkins here. Mini. These are the Disney characters here. Those are really cute. And they light up. These are all $3. So I've never seen the black trucks before, the Halloween black trucks. So look at these guys. Those cute. These are the metal Halloween trucks, and these are going for $5. Here's some of the skull heads right here. The bleeding candles, that's what they are. These are $5. They come in white and in the black. Here are some skeleton hands or skull heads. These are all $1.25. Here are the hands. Up here at the top, they have some LED lights. This is what they look like. These are all $5. They also have a 50 count light set for $3. And they come in different colors, multicolor ones. I see purple and multicolor and also orange. All right, so some more skeleton hands or skulls. They have some of the little bowls here in orange, black, purple. They have those, and I think these are all going for $1, if I'm not mistaken. Here is a light up skull right here for $5. They have the light up pumpkin. All of these are $5. They also have the little ghost. Let's see, here's some more lights. Here's another sign right here that says haunted. These are $3. They have some creepy cloths here. These are all $1.25. You can see those. Pumpkin decorating set, 6 pieces, $1.25. They have some wall decor here. They have this one right here. Let's see what it says. If I can move this out of the way. Home of a spooky witch, one handsome devil, and the little monsters and their little monsters. They also have that one there. These are $1.25. And let's see if they have any more. One more back there. Really cute. Right here's some tinsel garland with the skull faces in black. They have some silhouette decoration for $3. Here is a trunk decor kit, $5. They have some pumpkin carving kits right here for $3. They also have some hooded masks down here. It says for adult use only. They have the, I guess that's a clown. Here's another clown down here at the bottom. But they have a lot of those. Let's see what, yeah, same one. I see something in green back here. Let's see what that is. So they have that one, and all of these are $5. Here's some accessory kits right here, 3 pieces, $5. So you get the little headband, the little tail on the back. It looks like a little cat costume. They also have the, not sure what this is right here. Let's see. Oh, the unicorn costume. They have those. Just gonna put this right here, and I see some more back there, but I can't get to those. All right, so on this end cap right here, more treat bags. They have the pumpkin. I see the little mummy face. Let's see, the monster, and they have the witch. So they have those. Up here at the top, more decor. They have this, the skull, and the book. These are $5. They have this one right here, spells, $5 as well. And a lot of the little spooky creatures up here, they have the spiders. Looks like bats. Those are $1.25. Candy-filled Day of the Dead tins. This is what they look like. And they have them all in different colors. You guys can see those. They also have some 18-count party tableware, so you get the napkins and the plates. And these are all $1. All of those. As you can see, they put out all of their cards for Halloween. Cards starting at 50 cents. So they have Halloween on this side over here, and they have Thanksgiving fall cards on this side over here. Let's just pull one out. This one says, this is for kids, trick or treat. And let's see, Happy Halloween. This one. And this is Happy Thanksgiving cards. These are really nice. And like I said, they start at 50 cents and they work their way up. Let's see. This one right here says, so grateful for friends and family, love and laughter, sweet blessings, happy memories, you. And let's see, this one right here, gravy by the boatload, potatoes on the by the ton, pumpkin pies are cooling. The bird is almost gone. This one down here said, my mouth begins to water. You grin from ear to ear. Really cute. All right, so as I'm passing by this little end cap right here, just wanted to show you guys the book bags that they have here. They have some nice book bags for back to school. All of these are $5. Really nice book bags. This one right here is $10. The other ones are $5, but this one right here comes with a lot of things like the ruler, the little pencil pouch, and it also has a lunch bag here and the actual backpack. They have the LOL dolls. These are going for $7. And they have the Spider-Man Jurassic Park lunch boxes here. All right, so we're going to start off with the fall items up here. So they have a lot of these tabletop decors right here. These are $5. Really nice with the sunflowers. They have these up here. They've put a lot more stuff out since my last video. I went to the Family Dollar store. So if you want to check that video out as well, these are $5, and they come in the orange and in the green. They have these tin cans here. These milk jugs says welcome to the patch. These are $5. Here's some more right here in gold. Blessed. These are $3. They have some really nice bowls right here. Look at those, shaped as pumpkins. Let me see. I picked that up the wrong way. So those are really nice. These are $5. They have these ceramic 3-tier pumpkins. Do I think do these light up? No, they just decoration. So I see white and orange. Here's some more of the patterned pumpkins right here in different colors. These are all $5 and they're falling. There's one right there in orange. Different color ones. They also have some nice ones here. Here's a nice blue one here. Green, beige, orange, turquoise. They have some really nice ones, and these are all $5. All right, so some table runners here. This one has a red truck. This one right here has the leaves. Let's see if I see any more. Okay, so those are the only ones right here. Here's the one with the placemats. This is 2 count. It says grateful. These are $5. They also have one with the red truck for $5. Let's see. Here is a table runner right here, the black and white check. Let's see, some more pumpkins down here at the bottom. They also have some of the wooden pumpkins here that you can paint. Let's see what else they have. Up here they have the 18 count plates and the napkins on the front. On the front it says be thankful. They have these containers right here shaped as acorns. I don't want to drop these. These are $5. And they also have the owl back there, if you guys can see that. And I see one more. It looks like a gnome. Yeah, they have the little gnome one back there as well. And these are all $5. Really cute. All right, so here are all of their little fall tumblers right here. Pumpkin Spice Blessed. Let's see what else they have. They have Hello Pumpkin. These are all $1, guys. These are really cute. Happy Fall with the green truck. And I think there's one more. No, that's the same one. They have the plastic tablecloths for $5. And here are all of their hanging decor. This one is $5 and it says fall. These are really nice, and they come in this tarnished color, and they also come in the white. Really cute. They have a lot of the wreath hangers in brown and in white. Here's some wreaths right here. Really pretty, if you guys can see those. Those are actually going for $5 as well. They have some of the garlands here. Really nice. And I did see some. I'm going to see if I can move these out of the way. These are some of the DIY decors right here. This says, oops, Happy Harvest. These are $3. And I think that's the only one. Actually, I see another one back there. This one says Blessed. Those are really nice. I like those. All right, so how nice are these right here? These are hanging decors. This one says gather with all the yellow flowers and orange. This one right here in green. All of these are $5. This one says welcome. Here is a hanging decor right here. You can paint these, the DIY pumpkins. Here's a sign right here that says grateful and blessed. This is $5. That's not bad. Here's one that says welcome fall. I like that one as well. $5. Here's another DIY sign right here that says hello fall. And let's see. Oh my goodness. Here's one right here. It says so good to be home. These are $5. And I also see one back there in the back. I'm going to lay this one down. This one says hello fall. If you guys can see that one back there. And look at the top. It has a little leather holder, and it has a little circular. It has that. Really cute. All right, so they have some really nice DIY items here. This one says harvest up here, and I was looking at this one before. This one says welcome. And they come in that light color wood, and they also come in the dark color wood. And these are going for, I think these are going for $3. Yes, $3. They have some travel tumblers here. They have all of these for $1. Here's some more of the 50 count lights here. These are $3. They have some of the spoon rest here. They have the pumpkin one. They have this one right here. And let's see, they also have one. It looks like an owl on the front. An owl. Yeah, they have that one right there as well. Those are really nice. And these are going for $3 as well. Here's some mugs. These are $3. All right, so some decorative mesh for $125. That's the green, orange, yellow, and this color right here. Here's some hanging signs right here with the leaves. These are going for $5. And let's see, they have some more of the containers up here, the milk containers up here as well. All right, guys, and let's see what these are at the bottom here. It looks like they have some little mats right here. They have these doormats right here for $5. And that's pretty much it, guys, with the Halloween and the fall. They do have these DIY signs right here, the skeletons that you can actually paint. These are $5. And I think I showed you those and all of the different color pumpkins up here. They also have some plastic tablecloths right here, and they have the little flowers, the pumpkins on the side. But that's pretty much it, guys, here at Family Dollar. I just wanted to come in and let you guys see what they had to offer. They always have nice things when you come in the store, and they're very affordable, very reasonable. But thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. I really like this mug right here. It is $3. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching.
Somewhere there you go.